Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, let us thank Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for His blessing and guidance so that we can gather here today in good health and happiness. Welcome to today's seminar presentation entitled Assessing Speaking Skill Through Picture Description, Evidence from Senior High Students. This article investigates the speaking skill of senior high school students through picture description tests and evaluates 5 important speaking components: comprehension, grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and fluency. Today, we have Ms. Atika as our presenter who will explain the finding of the article. We also have Ms. Evie as our audience representative who will share her response and question during the discussion session. Without further ado, let us begin today's seminar. Please welcome Ms. Atika.
Okay, thank you, Miss Fanny. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. Today, I would like to present a journal review entitled Assessing Speaking Skill Through Picture Descriptions, Evidence from Senior High Students. May I share my slide first?
Wait, sebentar.
Okay. Oops, sorry. Okay, today I would like to present a journal review entitled Assessing Speaking Skill, so picture the evidence from senior high students. Okay, let's begin with the background of the study. As we know, speaking is one of the most important skills in English language learning. However, many Indonesian students still face difficulties in oral communications. Some common challenges include pronunciations, grammar, vocabulary, and also fluency. To help students develop their speaking skills, teachers can use picture description tests. These tests provide visual supports that help students generate ideas and communicate more effectively. Therefore, this study aims to investigate senior high school students' speaking skill through picture description tests. Now, let's move to the research objective. The objective of this study was to assess senior high school students' speaking skill through picture description tests using a quantitative descriptive approach. The researchers evaluates 5 speaking components: comprehensions, grammar, vocabulary, pronunciations, and also fluency. All speaking performance were assessed by 3 independent results. Next, I will explain the research methodology. This study used a quantitative descriptive research design. The participants were 46 senior high school students. The research was conducted in a EFL classroom setting. The instruments used was a picture description test, where students were asked to describe a picture for 2 or 3 minutes. The procedure consists of 4 steps. First, students select a picture. Second, they describe the picture orally. Third, the performance were recorded. Finally, 3 readers evaluates the recordings using a speaking assessment rubrics. Okay, now let's look at the findings of the study. Based on the results, 5 students were categorized as excellent, 28 students were categorized as very good, 12 students were categorized as poor. This finding shows that the majority of students, or 60.9%, achieved the very good category. This indicates that picture descriptions can be an effective tool for assessing speaking skills among EFL learners. Next, let's examine the speaking component scores. Vocabulary achieved the highest average score, which was 4.2, and comprehension scored 3.8, grammar scored 3.6, fluency scored 3.5, meanwhile pronunciations received the lowest of average score of 3.3. These results suggest that students were generally able to choose appropriate vocabulary and express their ideas effectively. However, pronunciation remains a challenge and requires more attention from teachers and also learners. Finally, I would like to present the conclusions. Overall, the student speaking ability was categorized as very good. Vocabulary was identified as the strongest component, while pronunciation was the weakest. The study also concludes that picture description is an effective assessment tool for evaluating speaking skill. Therefore, teachers are encouraged to provide more activities that focus on pronunciations and fluency improvement. That concludes my presentations. Thank you very much for your attention. I will be happy to answer your questions. Okay? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Ms. Atika, for the informative and interesting presentation. We have learned about the effectiveness of picture description tasks in assessing students' speaking skill and the importance of importance of improving pronunciation and fluency. Now we will move to the discussion session. I would like to invite Ms. Ify as our audience representative to share her response and questions. Please proceed, Ms. Ify.
Okay, so thank you, Miss Reni, and thank you, Miss Atika, for the excellent presentation. Okay, I found this study very interesting because it shows how picture description activities can help students develop their speaking abilities. I also learned that vocabulary was the stronger component, while pronunciation was the weakness component among the students. I believe this topic is very relevant for English teachers because speaking is one of the most important language skill. Now, I would like to ask a few questions for you. My question is, the study showed that pronunciation received the lowest score among the 5 speaking components. Why do you think the pronunciation was the most difficult aspect for student? Okay.
Okay, thank you for the questions, Ms. Ipi. According to the study, pronunciations become the weakest component because students had limited exposure to English pronunciations and were strongly influenced by their first language. As a result, many students found it difficult to pronounce English words accurately. Therefore, teachers should provide more pronunciation practice and opportunities to listen to authentic English materials. Maybe that's my answer. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Miss Atika.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Ify, for the thoughtful questions, and also thank you to Ms. Atika for the clear and informative answers. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now reached the end of entitled Assessing Speaking Skill Through Picture Description evidence from senior high school students. From today's discussion, we learned that picture description tasks can effectively assess students' speaking skill and help teacher identify students' strengths and weakness in speaking performance. We also learned that vocabulary was the strongest component, while pronunciation remains an area that needs further improvement. On behalf of all participation, I would like to thank Ms. Atika for her presentation and Ms. Evie for her participation in the discussion session. Thank you also to everyone for your attention and participation. We hope today's seminar has been useful and inspiring. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening and have a pleasant day. Thank you.